Right, you don't want anybody stepping on it. That's
So,
35 metres.
this is the Heath Robinson. How do you measure
Across a lake.
across a lake? Hang on, I need to get a better position. I need to get a better position. Like a full documenting of the event.
Can I go from the 20? Can I go
Yeah, make sure it's all untangled there.
It's all untangled.
I go from as near as possible, Mark.
Yeah.
Aim over.
Yeah, it might drop a bit.
Attempt 1, fail. Does it need more? It needs more in the more. that literally went nowhere. Do you think this is not going to work? Or are we persevering?
As soon as it hits a big bundle, it's snagged, isn't it?
Yeah.
How did they manage to do this with big lumps of rope? They did.
Well, they didn't, did they? Basically, no. It's a lie.
Fishing
Basically.
line or something. Yeah, it's a lie.
Attempt number 2.
Oh!
Oh.
It's the moment he tries to drag it.
Yeah. It's getting closer, but it's not. It's clearly not working.
Right, I need,
It's a good float.
what I need
Yeah.
is some more tape and another arrow.
What do you think you are? Kevin Costner? He's going to go for the 2-arrow scenario. He's brought half the pond with him this time. What are you doing here? What's the point here?
I don't know.
I'm confused.
You're going to fire another arrow.
What?
I'm going to shoot it halfway with one arrow.
It's not going to work. That's not going to work.
Oh. I've got a bad feeling.
Yeah, that's not going to work, this, Mark. Can I make a suggestion as well, Mark?
Yeah,
Can I suggest that you don't try and shoot at the target?
I've been aiming over the target.
No, I'd aim at the sky.
Here, I'll show you my bow. I'll shoot the second arrow.
At the same time? Or are you going second arrow first?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going to get it half.
Go for the sky. No.
No.
Oh, I see.
It's not going to be.
I reckon 5 arrows.
I think.
That's enough of that nonsense.
Yes.